Hello everyone, welcome to the start of my study abroad journey. This video is going to be my packing video. I am showing you guys everything that I'm putting in my suitcase. I leave in 2 days. From all the videos that I've been watching, people always say underpack. So that's my mission, is to underpack. Let's get on to it. Here's the mess I've made. Starting with the clothing items I put into my big suitcase, I have this blazer and pants set that I laid flat in the bottom of my suitcase, this formal dress, and both of these items I wore at the Cannes Film Festival and for an exhibition opening in Lacoste. I packed about 5 nicer shirts to wear on the day-to-day to class and within the different countries I was visiting. I packed 2 jackets, one was for more fun and style, and this down jacket from Athleta I wore everywhere. I would definitely recommend having some kind of windbreaker or thin jacket to wear, especially if you're going during spring quarter. Next we have this jumpsuit from TJ Maxx, and then I brought about 6 different casual dresses. I'm a dress wearer though, I think they're so comfortable and cute, and it was especially fun to wear these in the European countries. I packed 2 pairs of dress pants and then 2 pairs of jeans as well. This denim romper from Levi's is one of my favorite clothing items. I would definitely recommend having some kind of crossbody purse or fanny pack to keep your phone and wallet in when traveling. I brought a total of 4 pairs of shoes. I brought 2 sneakers. These I wore on the airplane, 1 pair of flip-flops, and then 2 pairs of nice shoes for events. Next I have this overnight heatless curler headwear. Lastly, I put my tripod and tripod bag on top of everything in the big suitcase. Moving on to my carry-on bag, I packed around 6 pairs of athletic shorts, 2 pairs of leggings, and brought 1 sweatshirt and 1 pair of joggers, which I wore on the plane. I packed an athletic skirt and 2 pairs of linen shorts, lots of underwear and socks. When in doubt, pack more socks and underwear. I'm also putting all that in my carry-on. I had about 6 t-shirts and 2 tank tops. I'm also packing all of my hygiene stuff, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, medications into the carry-on. My biggest piece of advice would be to make sure to pack your necessities in your carry-on. So toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, a towel, medications, all those sorts of things in your carry-on in case your other luggage gets lost, because mine sure did, and while I was without some nice clothes for a few days, I had all the necessities to get through that time period. SCAD Lacoste provides bedding and cleaning supplies, but you do have to bring your own towels. So I made sure I packed one of them in my carry-on. I also brought a tote bag, although SCAD Lacoste did give out a welcome tote bag when I got there, so I didn't use the one that I brought as much. However, I used this Blue Eddie Bauer bag everywhere for traveling, and it's so flat and easy to put in a suitcase. Lastly, I packed an umbrella, my Bible, notebook, and pens. Here are my suitcases, all packed and ready to be zipped up. Now moving on to my last bag, which is my camera bag, which I brought on board and put under the seat in front of me. This bag opens up through the back zipper where all my equipment is stored, which I love for security reasons and walking around. It also has a compartment in which I could put my iPad and computer in. This JBL clip-on speaker is so easy to travel with, although I did pack it in my actual suitcase in case of pickpocketers. This front pocket here is perfect for snacks. Don't forget to bring a charger and at least 1 power adapter for those chargers. The one I have here has different types of plugs, so within different countries that I visited, I had all the plugs that I needed. I would definitely recommend bringing some kind of bag lock, especially if you're going to be traveling in different countries and staying in hostels. Next, I have this passport carrier, which I wore around my neck in the airport to keep it close to me and easily accessible. Number 1 thing to bring is your passport, of course. Next, I have this waterproof cell phone carrier from Costco, which I used to take pictures and videos underwater. I also clipped this neck pillow to my bag for the plane rides. Okay, so pro tip for weighing your bag. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weigh myself, and then I'm gonna lift up this bag and see how much it weighs. And if it's more than 50 pounds added onto my weight, then we got an issue. But if it's not, then we're chilling. They charge a crazy amount of money if your bag is overweight. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video on the plane to France.